Cogonhas traffic, goal 1038, taking off runway 35 left. You'd think they'd install some sort of deflector. I guess that is a little raised. I suppose that would be enough, but it's still weird having an airport in the middle of a city like this. And that bump, oh Jesus. It's like a really bad roller coaster. Okay. Swing it around. And... alright. 50%. Alright. Auto throttle and toga. There we go. So horizontal mode is toga. Don't suppose we could arm any of those, so we'll just hand fly that. 80 knots. Looking good, 100. V1 rotate. Positive rate gear up. Flaps 15. Okay, LNAV is on. Alright, waiting for 3,500 feet now. There we go. Turning right. Towards Sierra Papa 107. Anyway, oh crap, VNAV. There we go, there's the better speed. A bit slow there. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. We'll turn on the autopilot so I can enjoy the view a little bit. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. Ooh, looks like Rio City is somewhat well modeled. Must be the airport scenery that I downloaded. Also, that bridge looks very tempting. Okay, we should probably have had our landing lights out for a while now. And APU, since it'll just be a quick turnaround. Seatbelts never were unfastened. I don't know why I pronounced it like that, but that's okay. So, yeah. Go retard, just like me. We're getting very close now. That's, that tall hill over there is Sugarloaf Mountain. Where's Christ the Redeemer, actually? I do not see it. I do not see that statue. And I can't even see the airport because there's too many buildings in the way. That's not a good sign. Anyway, we can start putting flaps down now. Let's do 4, 5. Alright. No descent path, I don't care. So yeah, the airport... Goddamn, the airport is right behind those buildings there, and we'll have to turn around in front of that mountain. So that's terrifying. Okay. Looks like the VNAV is setting the speed quite well in accordance with the flap setting, which is very convenient. Okay. Alright, land, approach, altimeters, like engine strut switches, continuous, speed brakes armed, landing gear down, flaps down. So, let's get our gear down once we are on course for that turn, which we almost are, basically. So, let's get the gear down now. Beautiful gear extension. Let's put flaps 25 out now. That was our takeoff flap setting before. Okay. And we can go full flaps now. We are ready for landing, officially. The airport is right there, Jesus Christ. Okay, head tracking is now active, so that's great. Let's turn off the autopilot now. Okay, it's flying at the VRF, which is great. Follow the flight director. Okay. So it's an RNAV approach, which means we technically don't need to look outside.
Caution, terrain.
Ah, there we go. That's what you want to hear
Caution,
on a
terrain.
final approach. Okay, there is our... This is scary.
1,000.
Okay, well, down we go. Okay. Okay, now we're doing the arc. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Okay, we're starting to descend now. So we're just following the LNAV. Just follow the funny lines. You'll be fine. Dear God. Okay, manual throttle now too. This is worse than Kaitak, because at least at Kaitak you have an ILS antenna like on your approach. Here you just have to guess. Holy crap, which one's the main? That's right. Yeah, yeah.
400.
We're flying to...
Approaching minimum.
Oh my god. Oh my god, we're slow. Okay, here we go.
3 minimums.
There we are. 3 reds. Keep on going up. Minimums. Let's go. I guess. Okay, let's start to go down a bit more. Oh, fuck. A lot more. Okay, that's good. And okay.
100.
Okay, hit the
50,
throttles.
30. 20. 10.
Okay, full reversers, full brakes, full spoilers. Stop, please. Oh, thank God. Okay, I think we can actually exit here now. That was scary. That was terrifying.
21. Five hundred. 400. 300. Approaching minimums. Minimums. 50. 30. 20. 10.